Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today I'm going to make some French toast out of Hawaiian rolls. This is the first time I'm ever making them. I'm not going to make a great big batch because I'm the only one here right now. So I'm just going to make a couple for me. When I'll give you the recipe link in the description, and the recipe will be for a whole container of Hawaiian rolls, but I'm just going to make a couple right now for me to see how they turn out. So what you do is you take your rolls and you cut them in half. And you basically make them just like any other French toast, but instead of bread, you're using Hawaiian rolls. And I don't know why I never thought of it myself, because it sounds good, because the bread's kind of sweet and should be really good. So I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to whisk one egg here. Add just a little bit of milk to it. Put a little cinnamon in there. And that's it. That's all there is to it. It's just like making any other French toast. I'm going to get some butter going in the pan here. Okay, so now I'm just going to dip each roll into the batter. And from what I've read, they say to dip it really quickly. You don't want to soak it at all because it gets too wet and mushy. So you just very quickly dip in and out like that. Okay, so they are done. Smelled pretty good. Got some warm syrup here I'm going to put on them. Okay, I don't know if you can see how good that looks. I don't normally taste my food at the end of my videos, but since I've never had this before, I'm really curious. So I will give it a try. Take one for the team so you'll know if it's any good. Very good. Reminds me of brioche bread. So yeah, definitely good. And one thing I think that would be a fun way to serve them would be like with a dipping sauce of syrup instead of pouring syrup over it the way that I did. I mean, for like kids, it might be fun to give them a couple of rolls and then let them dip it in the syrup. So yeah, very good. Hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was very simple, but sometimes simple things are just as good as complicated things. So I hope you'll check out some of my other videos. Just check for Rhonda's Thrifty Kitchen on YouTube. And I have a website, rhondasthriftykitchen.com, where all my recipes and my videos are there as well. So hope to see you soon. Thanks.